up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you are new here. So for today's makeup tutorial, I really have no idea what I'm doing. I did not pre-plan it at all, so I will just be completely winging it. It's gonna be a surprise for you, and it's gonna be a surprise for me. As you can tell by the title, it is girls' night in. I am having a couple of my friends over to just have some drinks and hang out. So I figured why not film a makeup video like that, because normally the makeup videos that are really popular on my channel are my like nightclub makeup looks, and clearly I'm not going to a nightclub anytime soon. Probably not within the next year, so. Girls' night in, get used to it. Is that really what our life has come to? Anyway, I'm gonna get started with my poreless, no pore primer from Miss A. It's literally $1. We love to see it. Probably terrible for your skin. I'm feeling too lazy to do foundation, so I'm just going to go in with my Drunken Elephant De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops, and that's just going to bronze up my skin and kind of even out my skin tone. So what has everyone else been doing, like, to socialize? Like, have you just been sitting in your house and not seeing your friends and family? Are you having friends over that you know are, like, not gonna give you coronavirus? What's the situation? Because I've just been like having my friends over. I haven't really gone to anyone's house, although I am going to a going away brunch tomorrow, which I'm excited. Human contact. Sometimes we need that in our lives, you know? So that's literally like all I've done in my life for the last 6 months is sit in my house. Other than when I just had my little quarantine party that you guys may have seen. I posted a recent video of that, my like makeup for that and whatnot. So that was really fun. I'm sad that's over because now I don't know what to look forward to. The world is very uncertain right now. Oh, and that was the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Madeline, I believe. It's a good concealer, but it's definitely not like my favorite one I've ever used. I definitely still prefer the Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know, I just feel like this one does still kind of crease a little bit. Also, I've noticed when I set my under eyes, they crease a lot worse than when I don't. Anyone else experience that? Like, please comment and let me know, because like I spent a lot of money on that Laura Mercier translucent powder and I like it, but she can make me crease. And just really pat that into the skin. Blush is literally my favorite part of makeup. Like, I feel like no matter how busted I look, if I put some blush on, I'm like a solid 6. Now I'm going to bronze up the look a little bit. I'm just using my Faux Tan by Bare Minerals. This is the one I like to use when I have a tan, because otherwise it's a little harsh. But this one's just so good for adding some warmth back into your skin. Nothing compares to this bronzer. I don't know. This is like the best one I've ever used. I love it. I've used Bare Minerals for years and years. It's literally like the first face makeup, like real, like actual quality face makeup that I ever got. It literally feels so weird to just like do my makeup and sit at home. So to finish off the brows, I'm just going to be using my Ultimate Brow Mascara. This is from Wet n Wild. I'm almost out of my favorite one, which is the Maybelline one, so this will have to do. I'm gonna keep the eyes pretty simple. I'm just going to go with the lightest shade from my Tartelette in Bloom palette. And then I'm gonna take this taupey shade called Smarty Pants, and I'm gonna put that in the crease. It's a really pretty shade. I didn't know it looked like that. And I'm just going to take that same taupey shade yeah, I definitely don't like the NARS concealer. I'm sorry. It creases like an MF. It makes me look like I'm 40 years old. so that's it for eyeshadow. I'm going to do some mascara really quick. And I'm using the Alya Limitless Lash Mascara, which is like my favorite right now. Just gonna do that off camera because that takes me literally forever. So, BRB! Alright, so I went ahead and put my mascara on as well as my jewelry and my top. We went kind of 0 to 100 real quick with the outfit, which you will see at the end, but let's just move on to lips and finish this off. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Lip Liner in the shade Super Size Me. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite lip plumper of all time, the Latrice Lip Volume Plumper Thingamajigger. And it kind of like, because it burns the crap out of your lips, gives you a nice little tint too. And to finish it off, I'm actually going to use this Carly Bible X Il Makiage lip gloss in the shade Star Child, and it's like this kind of like goldy type shade. Good lord, that is so pretty. Okay guys, so this is my final girls' night look. It ended up being a little bit more like punky than I was expecting, with like the earrings and then literally this bodysuit. It's a little extra, but whatever, I'm literally at home, so who really cares? As always, I'll have all these products linked down below if you want to check them out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up on your way out if you did. Thank you so much for watching.